So in this part you guys have to integrate the question of the type this, means outside bracket you have to create e power x, and inside bracket there should be sum of the function and its differentiation. Okay, so how will you respond to these kind of questions? You will be writing e power x f of x plus integration constant c. So this will be your answer. Now, so in any questions where you will be solving question related to exponential function, your first idea should be this thing only. Okay, and then if it fails, then you can go with integration by parts or some other ideas. Okay, so you should have outside bracket you should have e power x, and inside bracket you should have sum of the function and its differentiation. Then directly you guys can write e power x f of x with integration constant c. Okay, so for example let's take this illustration. So look at this part. So you have sense of e power x. So what you should do, just create that situation. Take e power x outside and then we will be having x by 1 plus x square. Now look at my idea how I will approach this question. So I feel that the denominator is carrying 1 plus x ka whole square. Correct na? So if we can manage to create denominator as 1 plus x, 100% its differentiation dz by dx will become minus of 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. I hope you guys can connect with this. If denominator is carrying power 2, so if I will have a function which will have denominator as power 1, it can make 2. So we have to create this situation. So first you have to write down this component as the sum of two things. Okay, so in one thing you should have only 1 plus x. In second thing you should have 1 plus x whole square. So how we will manage? How we can create 1 plus x? So we can create 1 plus x if we can get rid of this square, and it is only possible if it will be neutralized by the numerator, which will have x plus 1. Correct? So if I will be using x plus 1 and denominator is having 1 plus x whole square, 1 x plus 1 will be neutralized. But you know that if I'll add 1 to the numerator, it is not the same equation which was given in the question. So we have to balance this situation. So for that we will subtract 1. Okay, now look at this how I will approach. So e power x, and look at this, I will be writing 1 by, means I will be writing this two component. Okay, so it will become 1 plus x, and then we will be having 1 by 1 plus x ka whole square. Okay, now be super slow. So who is this? This is your f of x, one of the function. And who is this? This is your differentiation of f of x. So you have converted your question into e power x times f of x plus f dash x. Okay, so if we reach to this conclusion directly, we can write down the answer as e power x and then f of x. Who is f of x? 1 by 1 plus x. Okay, plus integration constant c. So the required answer is this. I hope you guys got the idea and you can handle similar situations. Okay.